The 2024 Audi RS6 Avant interior features a high-performance cabin centered around a 12.3-inch Audi virtual cockpit and a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen with RS-specific displays. The interior is defined by Valcona leather sport seats with honeycomb stitching, a flat-bottomed steering wheel, and optional red, blue, or gray accent packages. Key interior features: seating and comfort, standard heated and ventilated front sport seats, optionally with honeycomb perforation, and quad-zone climate control. Materials: extensive use of Dinamica microfiber, 45% recycled material, on the center console and shifter, with available matte carbon twill inlays. Technology: 12.3-inch virtual cockpit plus offers specialized RS Performance and RS Runway display modes, plus shift lights. Customization: optional RS Design Package Plus allows for colored seat accents, blue, red, or gray, and matching stitching on mats and seat belts. Practicality: the rear seats fold to expand luggage space up to 1,680 liters. The 2024 model also sees reduced sound insulation, enhancing the V8 engine sound within the cabin.